Welcome. Hello everyone. I hope you all are well. And in this video today I am welcoming you all guys to Take 2. And I hope you are seeing this page. And what is this? I hope you already know about it. And this is LastPass. And what is the LastPass? I hope you all are known about this application or website. And this is the I'm explaining it. Let's start. LastPass is a password manager application. The standard version of LastPass comes with a web interface, but also include plugins for various web browsers and apps for many smartphones. It also includes supports of bookmarks. And in this video I am going to show you that how you can get it for 6 months with an email. If you have an email, you can take this one for 6 months for free and you can use it. So first of all, you need to go to here in this option. Simply click here on it. After clicking on LastPass, you will got this page. And now you need to simply click here, get LastPass free. Then now click here, try personal. Then you need to sign up here with your email, those you already have or you need to purchase. And if you don't have, I have an email for this type of works. I am sharing this from long time. You can take from me and use it. I charge it for a little. And now after that you need to go to simply your login edu and copy this from here. Then simply go again in this page and click it and master password. Now you need to choose a password for your own account. I am choosing this one. You can choose anything you want. So simply it also confirmed here. It's optional, it's not important to okay. Now it's after some time you'll got this option, sign up, it's free. Simply click here, sign up, it's free. After a little, after clicking this one, you need to wait a little. And after that you will got your account has been successfully created. And you are seeing that they are welcoming us. And welcome to LastPass. Install the browser extension, then log in using the account you have just created. And here you can log in it or install it. And after going there you will got this option that you have already created your LastPass account. And after if you got this message, you can sure that you 100% successful to create a LastPass account. So here's your LastPass. You need to add to Chrome, then click add extension. And that's started downloading. You need to wait a little for this download. or you can log in it from here also. To check that you got premium or not, simply click here. So simply you need to after logging in, going this page, it automatically pasted, and that you have got the premium account of LastPass, and that is the your proof of premium. Got premium. Look here, the option of our email address in this. Here's the little written the premium, and if you see that you have this option premium, that means you got this LastPass for free and premium website, and you can use it for your password secureness. And that's it, and I hope this video is very helpful for you all guys. If this one is helpful, please subscribe my channel and stay with us. And if you need any help, knock me on WhatsApp or Telegram. If you need any help for email, if you don't have email, you can buy from us. And that's it.